Once upon a time, there was a girl who loved to craft. So that girl is me, and we're going to make everything pink and pretty, so let's begin. I was inspired to make this Starbucks ornament for my pink Christmas tree because I saw them all over Instagram and somehow I couldn't seem to find them at my local Starbucks. So I took matters into my own hands and decided to head to Michael's to find a coffee cup ornament. I succeeded and I went ahead and gave this bad boy 2 coats of pink. Now, you don't have to use pink, but that is just the color that I gravitate towards. Now all you have to do is go to Google or Pinterest and type in pink Starbucks logo, and you can go ahead and resize that and then print it out. I didn't stop there. I decided to create another ornament, but this time from scratch. I cut out a Starbucks shaped coffee cup out of pink felt from Michael's. This was super easy to make. I also cut a cake pop stick, which are great to use for everyday craft projects. That was going to be my straw for this project. I filled the ornament with leftover scraps from the felt so it would have a 3D effect, and then I printed out a pink logo and Mod Podged that onto my project. I also added in some Mod Podge at the very top and sprinkled on some fake glittery snow to look like whipped cream. How fun, how cute, and how easy. These next 2 ornaments that I created were super easy to make and also very inexpensive to make. I used the same pink felt and I hot glued everything together. Again, filling the middle with leftover scrap felt. I added on some diamond trim to the top to look like a perfume bottle and hot glued these gorgeous Marie buttons that I picked up from Michael's. Next up, I bought these ceramic ornaments from Joann Fabrics. I decided to paint them this pretty cookie pastel brown color. I also outlined everything in pink. Once everything is dry, I added all of my fake cookies into a tin lined with pink tissue paper. And how precious and adorable are these fake holiday cookies? I just love how they came out. This next project is the easiest DIY Christmas project you will ever come across, but also it is the cutest DIY project you will ever come across. All you will need is a fake gingerbread man cookie. I picked this cute guy up from Michael's last year during Christmas. Sadly, they do not have him again this year, but they do have similar gingerbread cookies. So all you need to do is hot glue him to a tin tray or even a Dollar Tree baking tray, and that's it. This is so cute for Christmas and great for photos. Well, it looks like the gingerbread man wraps up this DIY project video. If you liked what you saw today, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below what project was your favorite because I would love to know. Make sure you are also subscribed so you don't miss any of my upcoming projects, and I will see you guys in my next lovely video.